Hello and welcome to this OXID Academy training. The first thing a developer must know is where to place their code. While in developing phase, we suggest to create your own directory in the shop's root directory, directly beside source, vendor, and var. You should give it a well-noticeable name like development or extensions. In this training, we use the latter one. Since we do not want to implement an extension right now, we will simply add a PHP file training.php to the extensions directory. First, add the PHP opening tag and set strict types usage. This ensures best practices during coding. Then we must include the file source /bootstrap.php from the shop to be able to use the OXID eShop framework. This file initializes the whole framework. After these preparations, we continue by adding a function with a suitable name. Let's imagine a function that takes an item number and returns some product data from the database. So we name it readDataByItemNumber. We define an argument item number of type string, and as return type we set array. Currently, we return an empty array just to be sure to not run into any type errors. After creating our function, we need to call it. For testing purpose, you should simply output its return value with the function var dump and use any argument you want, like 1, 2, 3, 4. Now we are ready for the test. Run the script via CLI. As a result, you should get the empty array. If you do not get any output, probably you have some errors in your file. Sometimes you see the errors directly on the command line, but since we integrated the OXID eShop framework, the error logging happens like it does in the shop. Therefore, you should check the file source /log/oxideshop.log for any errors. If the file does not exist, no error was tracked. As soon as everything works as intended, you have your place to code. Later on, you should move the function to a method of an extension. This can be an OXID eShop component or module. For more information and tutorials about the OXID eShop, check out our other videos or head to the online documentation.